Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about setting a simple MySQL database on your web server. So in the previous video we talked about setting a web server, so you have to watch that before you can progress with this. So you make sure your web server is up and running, make sure there's nothing wrong with it. So at the top bar there you see the MySQL option, you click on it. Here you see log of the web servers. So everything you have done on the web server will be logged in this place. So this is what you see, but this place is not actually concerned with us for now. So you also see FTP server where you can upload your files, you can upload various things. It will be your like you can access your documents folder from the web and edit and create files in it from the web without actually using your phone. And here is a simple text editor to write any code you want to write, but actually this is not convenient, so we'll stick with our code editor app. So you click on MySQL. Well, the MySQL server offered by this app is based on the MariaDB syntax. So the MariaDB is just another framework of SQL it just used to offer SQL, just like JavaScript has TypeScript. It has various ones. It has TypeScript, it has Node.js, it has Express, it has Angular, it has Nest, it has REST.js. So SQL has MariaDB. It also has MongoDB. So we are going to base on MariaDB for this tutorial, which is very easy to understand. So just like the web server, the status means the same thing, the address means the same thing, the admin just actually means the URL, like the actual URL of the database which you use to access it. The address will actually give you a URL, but you'll not be able to use it frequently. But the admin own is be able to use frequently. So the user is just the username to access the database. Of course, it's a database, so you actually need a username and a password because it is always secure. So we'll click on start to start the server, and we'll see an ad. It's annoying, I know, but we'll be able to fix it in a jiffy. So we saw that. So to know our password, we click on this information icon by the side. So they said the default username and password of MariaDB is root and root. So the username is root and the password is root. So they said please change the default root password with any MySQL Explorer ASAP. Okay, so we'll do that, but not in this video. So we'll click on the admin to run it. Open our browser. As you can see, this was the web server we opened in the previous video. So you can see it's still up and running because this notification here is still up and running. So if this notification disappears, it means that your web server has gone offline. So you have to reactivate it or bring it online back from the AWebServer app. So we'll move to the myPHP admin backend. So they said I've actually saved the password on Google Chrome, but we'll have to input it for you to see. So the default password is root. Okay, I think I typed that wrong. ROOT. So login. There is an error here. To log in again. Okay, so it will take us to the back end. So we can see our database settings from here, everything about database. So Chrome is actually telling me to change my password, but we will not change it in this video. Actually, the password is very easy to breach. So actually, you guys have seen my password, so you can easily access it from here, but I will change the password soon. So like this is very inconvenient for us to use, even though it's on a mobile phone. So we are going to change this to a desktop view. This is the reason why a laptop is good, but does not necessarily mean a laptop is useful for this, is more important for this. So desktop view actually lay out everything in the right order. So this database, SQL, status, user account, exports, imports, more at the top, at the navigation. Then these icons under the my PHP, under the PHP my admin logo, and also navigations. Then the node like items, information schema, performance schema, and the rest. All those are databases. So all those are databases. So if you click on one to open, it should open it immediately for you. You see various, but this ones you are not meant to tamper with all these, because these ones are for the SQL database itself, so you are not meant to tamper with them. So if you want to create, you can easily create, but we will not create anything in this video. Is until we start our SQL course, that's when we'll create something. So this is just how to create a database backend for your web server. That is all for the video.